So let's take a look at a chart review. We're going to do a chart review based on our top 20 most frequently reported ICD-10 codes. In this case, we'll do a chart review for 250.52, which as you can see is diabetes with ophthalmic manifestations. I'm going to do a chart review for, let's say, Dr. Craig. We can actually track who coded this particular encounter and who's reviewing it. The first step is to convert that 250.52 so we know what we're dealing with. To do that, we simply click this button, and there are your ICD-10 codes. Now we're going to pull a chart for Dr. Craig with 250.52. And we're going to take a look at the current documentation elements and see if they satisfy the specific choice of a very detailed ICD-10 code. If the chart passes, simply click yes. The chart passed. If not, click no and tell Dr. Craig why the chart didn't pass. In this example, let's say Dr. Craig did a good job capturing diabetic retinopathy but failed to capture macular edema. So I'm just going to type that right in. Now I can actually create this report with a simple right click. I can print preview. I can click that report, create a specialty customized report for Dr. Craig for that code for that chart. There is no more powerful educational event in ICD-10 training than using codes the doctors actually use and charts they've actually created. Now the beauty of the Ready 10 is all of these results roll up into a chart review result report card. And that looks like this. As a former administrator of a large multi-specialty group, I can tell you there's no better way to get providers' attention than by issuing report cards. They're very competitive. And in this case, if this is our report card and I find that only 40% of Dr. Bell's charts passed, but 80 to 90% of all my other providers' charts passed, now I have a clear sense that Dr. Bell's going to need some additional training. We also give the ability to create an Excel spreadsheet with a summary of all the chart review results that you've created. So that's the second most important thing you need to do to kickstart the ICD-10 transition.